Good morning, children. Uh, I am Binu Thomas. I will be teaching science for you, class 9A. I have made uh, 5 videos for chapter 4, structure of the atom. Now, let me just tell you about the syllabus that we are going to learn. Chapter 4, structure of the atom, which I am going to do just now. Then chapter 7, chapter 11, chapter 12, and chapter 10. These are the chapters that we have to learn, and I will start with structure of atom, that is chapter 4. Now, the syllabus for the structure of atom is electrons. You have to learn about electrons, protons, neutrons, valency, chemical formula of compounds, isotopes, and isobars. So this is a syllabus that is coming under this chapter's structure of the atom. First of all, let's see what is an atom. Matter is anything that takes up space and has mass. This you have learned in your junior classes. Anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter, and all matter is made up of atoms. Atoms are the building blocks of matter, a sort of how bricks are the building blocks of houses. So for houses, houses are constructed, the building block for the house is bricks. Same way, the building block of matter is atom. Now, atoms have three types of subatomic particles. They are electrons, protons, and neutrons. And electrons are negatively charged, E negative. Protons are positively charged, B positive, and neutrons will not have any charge. So these are the three subatomic particles that you find in atoms. The mass of an electron is 1 by 2000 the mass of a hydrogen atom. The mass of a proton is equal to the mass of hydrogen atom. That means the mass of electron is 1 by 2000 the mass of a proton. Hydrogen atom and proton has same mass and is taken as 1 unit. The mass of a neutron is equal to the mass of hydrogen atom and it is taken as 1 unit. So hydrogen atom and means protons and neutrons, they have the same mass as hydrogen atom, but electron has 1 by 2000, very less mass compared to protons or neutrons. Now let's see the discovery of subatomic particles. In 1900, J.J. Thomson discovered the presence of negatively charged particles called electrons in the atom. He was the person who found electrons, J.J. Thomson, in 1900. In 1886, E. Goldstein discovered new radiation in a gas discharge and called them canal rays. So he found a radiation in a gas discharge tube, and then he found that there are some rays which are called canal rays, and these rays were positively charged, and this later led to the discovery of positive charged particles called protons in the atom. So these canal rays which were positively charged were later led to the discovery of the positively charged particles called protons in the atom. It was found in 1886 by E. Goldstein. In 1932, Chadwick discovered the presence of particles having no charge in the atom called neutrons. So, in 1932, it was Chadwick who discovered the presence of another particle with no charge in the atom, that is neutrons. Then let us again discuss about the three subatomic particles: electrons, protons, and neutrons. Electrons are negatively charged subatomic particles of an atom. The mass of an electron is considered to be very negligible. We have learned in the previous slide. The mass is 1 by 2000 of protons, and its charge is -1 because it is negatively charged. The symbol of an electron is written as E to the power minus. Electrons are extremely small. It has got negligible, very small mass. They are found outside the nucleus. They are not inside the nucleus.